Hey, good morning, guys. This is Dana, aka Maccaster, and today we're going to talk about downloading Audacity. And you're going to come up to www.audacityteam.org/download. You can also just Google download for Audacity, and you'll come to this page. Now, here for Windows, for Mac, and for Linux, guys, I don't have any advice for Mac or Linux. I don't use them. Okay? But you're simply going to click these links, and it'll tell you right here, this is the one you really want to do. It's going to include the help files, and that way you'll have them on your desktop. Internet goes down, you don't want to go online, they'll be right there in Audacity. So you're going to go ahead and download Audacity and then install it. Now, the second thing you're going to want to download is Replay Gain. If you're up on LibriVox, they'll have a link to it. Or again, you can Google download Replay Gain for Audacity. It'll bring you right here, okay? Now, the third thing we're going to do is we're going to download the MP3 Gain. Now, this is both for Windows and Mac. Here again, I have no knowledge of Mac whatsoever, but it'll tell you right here. I think it's under Downloads. There we go. So if you come up here, it'll tell you there's 2 Mac ports that he knows of. And you'll just, click on these if you have a Mac. And now this right here, just like he says, this is what most people will want to download. And this is what I downloaded. Okay? So, once you get Audacity downloaded and get it installed, then this is what you're going to do. Now I'm going to go ahead and download this. Just save the file, and we'll say OK. And there it is right there on my messy desktop. Now I'm running Windows 8.3, so I'm going to come down to this PC. I'm going to come to my C drive, and because Audacity is a 32-bit program, I'm going to have to come into the x86, and there is Audacity there. Now you see right here where it says plugins? I would simply take this Replay Gain and drag it and drop it right there. Now I'm not going to do that because I already have it installed, but that's how simple it is to add plugins into Audacity. So let's go ahead and open up Audacity. So once you get your plugins installed in Audacity and you have them in that plugin folder, you're going to want to come to Analyze, Add, Remove Plugins. Now, as you can see, there's a bunch of new ones that I have here. I have not added them. And this is what I was trying to tell you. If you have a 64-bit plugin, it will not work with Audacity. Okay? Audacity is a 32-bit program, and what that means is it can only draw 2 gigs of RAM for processing. And that's it, guys. It's that simple to install Audacity. And our next short video is going to be how to set up your default recording formats using Audacity. All right? We'll see you shortly.
People were pleased to find that Peter Piper had picked a couple of pages for Fable fans at LibriVox. Thankful that this was Thursday the 13th, the Piper anticipated forum fun and a wonderful weekend of recording. This is a test by Helen Z. Ferrara. Had it been an actual LibriVox contribution, it would have been a public domain text, previously published and probably interesting.